Hello friends! Welcome to the world of Tattoo Private. A video of a temporary tattoo on my legs. Temporary artificial tattoo stickers have become very common these days and are widely available in the market. You can try creating your own temporary tattoos at home or by yourself. In this fashion-forward video, we explore the world of temporary and artificial tattoos. Learn all about the latest trends and techniques in this exciting form of body art. Whether you're looking for a new way to express yourself or just curious about the temporary tattoo phenomenon, this video has got you covered. Please watch the full video and do comment below your opinions about temporary tattoos. Thank you viewers. Please do like, share and subscribe and become a member of my channel for more upcoming videos on tattoos.